Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Season greetings everyone, season greetings. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a Sorrel sweetbread. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I have here 1 cup of mixed fruits, a 1/4 cup of cinnamon and a 1/4 cup of nutmeg, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of raisins, 2 teaspoons of almond essence. This is 4 teaspoons of baking powder. This is some salt, 1 teaspoon, and 2 sticks of butter. I have in the back here 1 cup of grated coconut. I have some pureed sorrel, dried sorrel. That's about 3/4 cups. I have some granulated sugar here. This 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, and this is some coconut milk. This is 3/4 cups of coconut milk. So this is my mixing bowl here. I already have 4 cups of all-purpose flour in there. So I added the baking powder. I'm going to add the salt, the nutmeg, and the cinnamon, and the sugar. Let's just mix that in quickly. Now I'm going to add the 2 sticks of butter. This butter is at room temperature. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my hands to get the butter fully incorporated with the dry ingredients. So I'll be back when that has been done. So now that the butter has been fully incorporated to the flour and the dry ingredients, I'm going to add the raisins, the mixed fruits, the sorrel, pureed sorrel, grated coconut, and give it a quick mix. My bowl is a bit small, so I just have to take my time and just mix this in. So here's my mixture with all the fruits totally mixed in. You could use your hands too as well to make sure that it's fully mixed in well to your satisfaction. So now I'm going to treat the wet ingredients. So here's the coconut milk. I'm going to add the 2 eggs that I beat up here a bit. I'm going to add that to the coconut milk. I'm going to add the almond essence. You could use vanilla essence too as well if you wish, and a few drops of Angostura bitters, a few drops of this. That should be fine. And give it a quick little mix. Now I'm going to add this to the dry ingredients. Seems like I missed a step. Sorry, I started to add wet ingredients and dry ingredients, so I'm mixing now. So let me come back when this is totally done. Okay, so here's my mixture. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a small bit of the sorrel liquid. This is when I was making the sorrel puree. So I just want to get at the color, the sorrel color bit. I'm going to add about a tablespoon for starters, get a sort of reddish color. So while I'm doing this, my oven, I'm going to put on my oven set at 350 degrees. I'm going to transfer this to my baking dish. This should get about 2 nice coconut sweetbreads from this, and I'm going to transfer this to my baking dish. Put it in the oven. It should take about an hour to fully cook. So here's my batter in my baking dish. So I'm going to just sprinkle some of the mixed fruits at the top, just to give it a little extra color, extra taste, decoration. This is optional. You don't have to do this. I'm not going to put too much. Some people also do sprinkle a little bit of sugar at the top at this phase. I don't think I'll add any more sugar. You can also add the sugar at the end when it's fully baked. That's what my mom used to do. But I don't really want it too sweet. so I think I'll eliminate that step 2 as well, because it's tasting really, really good at this point. So into the oven this goes. Doesn't that look pretty? So here's my sorrel sweetbread straight out of the oven, looking so beautiful. The baking time is about an hour, right? Of course, you're testing to make sure it's okay. I use a bamboo skewer. Just stick it in the highest part of the sweetbread, and as long as it's dry, I know it's fully cooked. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just I have like a mixture of some sugar and butter. I'm just gonna glaze the top a little bit. And then I'm going to allow this to fully cool before I cut into it. Sometimes when you cut into it when it's hot, and I'm so excited when it's hot, to cut into it when it's hot, it falls apart, you know. So it's best when you allow it to cool properly, and then cut your slice. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.